Frank Turlop, CEO and co-founder of Autotech Accelerators. Can everybody hear me in the back? Yes or no? Yes. Awesome. The company who has developed Test Drive CoPilot. I've been developing software for the automotive industry since the mid-'80s. This looked like a great opportunity to fill a need that just didn't exist. Until today, there's really been no easy way to manage, document, or perform test drive dynamic calibration. You need to do a test drive to make sure the vehicle operates as it's supposed to before you give it to the customer. What problems are we trying to solve with this platform? Number one, we want to provide the industry a way to document every test drive and every dynamic calibration that's done, period. Number two, I want to provide documentation to the business so they have documentation to say, look, here's what it cost me, here's what the time I took, I should get paid. Number three, documentation to reduce liability. Someone goes out, takes the car off your property, goes beep, gone. Documentation for liability. Number four, there's a term going around the industry called bulletproof file. This goes in the bulletproof file. Five, we want to provide the industry with test drive recommendations that they should follow by make and by type. Because I've done the research, let me tell you, it ain't easy to find. And last but not least, I want to provide ability to cost my jobs and quality control my test drives. Does the group in this room feel that there's value in what we presented tonight? Thank you all very, very much.